how can you tell your sales team, hey, you guys need to monetize what we do to make it clear to avoid that price objection in the end when they say, we don't have time in the conversation to monetize. They just want to quote, then they want to move on.
Yeah, and that's where you have to communicate with them, or I can communicate with them. Nobody is buying your solution. I'm going to say it again. Nobody is buying your solution. They're not buying your product. They're not buying your service. They are buying the gosh darn outcome, which is why you need to monetize, right? Just out of curiosity, where are you at right now in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be? Okay. The reason why you need to monetize is you have to put you're here, you want to be here. Based on everything you told me, you're an excellent candidate for our XYZ or ABC to go from here to there. Then they go, okay, yeah, I want to do that, right? Nobody wants to buy software. Nobody wants to subscribe to a membership. Nobody wants to work with a real estate agent, right? They want to be able to have their teams have access to the reports in the field. The reason why they want to have their teams have access to the reports in the field is so that they're not coming back into the office to finish those reports, thus causing them a bunch of headache and heartache and causing an additional $16,800 in revenue going out the door and overtime expenses because they're unable to finish the report in the field. Okay, so we got to monetize it, okay, because otherwise we're just sending products out there. Okay, the other reason why you need to monetize it, and you have to realize this, and this is both in B2B sales and in complex B2C sales, not buying a stupid yellow jacket, but buying a house, doing a significant purchase. People hardly ever monetize things themselves. And when you slow the hell down and go through the monetization exercise, not only are you going to communicate the real value of what you do, not your bits, bytes, shiny dashboards, your marketing campaign for your real estate company, all the great stuff. The fact that you can help them sell their house at the highest possible rate, thus getting them finally to San Diego where they always wanted to live. But because of the situation with Larry's kids, they had to stay in Boise because time on, time off with mom that lived in Boise. Now that the kids are in college, they can finally get to San Diego. But with Larry working out of the house, we can't have a revolving door of showings, right? You need to monetize that. There's no money in that. That was just all getting you to San Diego, getting you to your dream life, being able to sell your house without a bunch of foot traffic through there. When you monetize that, then they get their arms around the solution, and then also they can sell it internally. So if it's the employee reporting feature, now I can go to my CIO and go, guys, I need money for a new piece of software. And they can go, Matt, the hell you do. We've tabled all expenses till Q3. Got it. We're doing this. Why? Because we have people out there in the field and we're incurring $16,800 every single month in overtime because they can't get their reports into the servers until they come back to the office. I found a way to solve that, right? And it's only $2,000 a month for this plugin that's going to work with our Salesforce, saving us an additional $14,800 a month. If you think that they're doing that math on their own, you are sorely mistaken. Right? They kind of look at a problem and go, oh yeah, I'd like to solve that, but they never monetize it. This is why you have to say, when you say that would give you lift, can you give me a specific example? Well, yeah, we wouldn't have to do overtime. How much overtime are you incurring right now? I'm just not sure. I mean, it's significant. When you say it's significant, can you take a guess? 16,000, 16,800. Now all of a sudden they know the exact number, right? So now I've monetized it. So now they see the value. Now I've monetized it and they can sell it internally. And also, it's like I'm teaching you magic. Then if they reject me or push me off to Q3, I can go, no problem. I just want to make sure we're clear on something. Based on everything you told me, I mean, the plug-in there for Salesforce is $2,000 a month, and you guys are losing $16,800 every month just in, forget the time, forget the energy, forget the heartache, just in terms of overtime. So I mean, I'm not the best at math. That's $14,000 a month that's going out the door. And if we wait till Q3, what is that? That's going to be another $28,000 at least out the door, not to mention the heartache, the stress. I mean, I'm happy to wait till Q3. I just wanted to make sure that you are aware this is something where the longer we wait, the more money is, hemorrhaging out of the company. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. And now all of a sudden you'll find the person's like, I'm not okay with that, right? And the last piece of this, when you've monetized it, if they do shut you down on everything, no problem. Right? Hey, we can't do this. We're tabling it till next year. That's not going to happen. Totally understand. Hey, I will be here when you guys need to finally get your arms around those reports that are happening out in the field. Knock this $16,800 in overtime expense and put yourself in a position where we can redeploy those hours to more significant operations, helping you guys open that San Antonio region here ahead of schedule. Fair enough? And now they leave that and they go, damn, he was right. We're not buying software. We're saving money and we're equipping our people and we're going to finally open San Antonio and I can get my bonus and go to Cabo, right? This is why we got to monetize. Otherwise, you're just talking about your solution, your service, your product benefits, which is crap. We're not in that world anymore. That world existed years ago when there wasn't the internet. Right? They already know your services, they already know your features, they already know your benefits. They can do a demo of your product from you, your website, your competition. There's 27 YouTube videos saying to buy your stuff. There's another 47 saying not to buy it. The thing that does not exist, both in AI and out there in social and everywhere else in the world, is a conversation between two people that monetizes the damn decision. And that's why you need to monetize. Sorry to preach on that, but if I was you talking to your people, that's what I would say to them.
Well, you say it a lot better than I do, but I'm working on it. So
I'll put
thanks
the
a lot,
recording
man.
up on the live for you so you can take some notes.